Hello, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel.
Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj.
Hello dear friends, today's video is an extension of the idea that I used in my previous video. You'll find the link to the previous video in the description box. As you can see, the sieve idea works perfectly to make an open terrarium or planter. The transparent acrylic sheets used allow for one to see all the layers of soil, and that is what makes terrarium so attractive. So to begin with, we are going to need a sieve. I have used the same one I used previously, the 20 rupee one bought from the market, and we have to remove the mesh from it carefully. This is easily done as the one that I have is a plastic mesh. Now that the mesh is gone, I'm making sure that my acrylic sheet fits. I have used some black paint at the bottom of the sieve to avoid corrosion due to moisture. To decorate the sieve, I am using some jute thread, sticking it with glue gun. Anyway, the handle I have put here is very much for a decorative purpose and cannot really be used to hang the terrarium, which might be a bit heavy for this handle. So I had this lace which looked very pretty, and I just went ahead and created a decoration. The next step is to put in the large pebbles. We need to create layers of soil for a terrarium to be successful. Next, I'm using some jute fibers. I got this along with a bouquet I received. This prevents the topsoil from percolating to the bottom of the terrarium, followed by some charcoal and then the smaller pebbles. I have also some cream light colored pebbles which will look lovely in layers. So I add those, and finally the topsoil. Once the topsoil is ready, I need to moisten it with a little bit of water. And I'm here planting small begonias. They plant easily and look amazing. I'm making another one. Oh, the handle came off, so just fixing that one more time. There you go. And for the second one, this one's ready as well. Some few decorative colored pebbles on top, and the terrarium is ready. There you go. Place it at home or hang it outside as I had done earlier. They look absolutely lovely and a very quick DIY. Thank you for watching. And for more creative work and DIY, like, share and subscribe.